We will have a subsequent meeting to discuss the Big Four agenda by the national government and to rally support from the counties. And I want to thank the governors present here today for the offer they have made to work with us to ensure that we succeed in the delivery of the transformation that we have fashioned around the Big Four agenda items. Matters of equalization fund, we have agreed that that will be addressed in the supplementary budget in the next 1 month to facilitate all the projects that were identified under the equalization fund to start, and those which have started to be completed in the interest of the development around the country.
Not only to support the 4 priorities, but all other sectors of the mandates we have, and authorities, in a way that the new thinking of economic blocks comes and takes precedence.